Hello fans and friends of delta4x4. Like you can see, this is the Isuzu D-Max, and it's a special version of Gethöffer in participation with delta4x4. Delta4x4, no, that's our company, and we made that what we can best. I think lifting, we made it wider with these big fender flares, and we mounted the front bar with the legendary Pia headlights. We also mounted the Pia headlights on the sports bar. Then what's very special about this car is that that's the first car with the new Loder tire. The Loder tire, that's our new brand, and it's the only alternate tire in 305/60 R18 with M&S and the snowflake. The snowflake is very important for many countries, also Germany, that you can drive this tire in the winter. So with this tire you don't have to change your wheels. You can drive this wheel summer and winter, and it has this alternate profile, so you can also drive here in the forest or even off-road, and it's on the classic B rim. The classic B rim knows, I think, every one. It's the most legendary rim ever created, and I think that's everything. I think that's enough. Thank you. Bye.